What's going on, y'all? It is like freaking 11:30 at night on Thursday, heading to Albertsons to get some macadamia nut cookies. If you didn't know, Lindsay, my wife, is preggers, so she craves things. And we need some things for tomorrow morning, like gas for the truck. I don't know why, but I hate getting gas in the morning. Makes me feel rushed and crazy. But tomorrow we're going to be heading out to Mugu for the first time in a couple weeks. Just me and Waylon like we used to in the beginning. And today's tomorrow's video, which you'll see today technically, is a special one because we have hit 100 freaking subscribers, man. 100! It's freaking wild. I think we're at like 170 actually right now, but I didn't really get a chance to make a 100 subscriber video, so. And if you guys haven't noticed, we have Hooked Apparel, man. We got our own shop for women, men, whatever you identify as here in 2019. Children. We don't have things for dogs, but I can make it happen if you have a specific request. I've got a Chihuahua and I want it to rep Hooked. I got you, just let me know. If you do end up buying something, let me know in the comments section. I'll give you a major shout out and be like, look everybody, they're a real fan. Catch up. I'm just playing. But seriously, if you buy something, which if you buy something right now for the next like 6 days, I think it is, you get 15% off your entire purchase. Let me know, and I'll give you a nice big old shout out. Operation Macadamia Nut underway. Look at all these freaking cookies I have to look through, man. An entire Willy Wonka factory filled with cookies. And there can't be any cookies. This Fields, so we can microwave them and make them just like they came out of the oven at the mall. Chips ahoy, matey. That's what we're going with. We've got our cookies. We've got our milk and our water and our gas. Let's go ahead and go to sleep, and I'll see you in the morning. All right, guys, it's finally morning. We're gonna go out to Mugu right now. But before we do that, if you haven't, please take the time to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, like you said. Give us a thumbs up on the video if you like the content. Share it out with your friends. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you use. It's highly appreciated. Check out our shop, it's in the description. We'll see y'all soon. What's up, guys? We just got out here to Muguski. Gonna try to rip some lip. The tide is out quite a bit, so every other time I've been here and the tide is out, it actually ends up being pretty decent fishing. You know, a lot of times they're like, well, the tide is high, so fishing's great, and a lot of times that is true, but here I find myself catching a lot more of all sorts of species when the tide is pushed out more. You just gotta cast further. And today, we're gonna be using a different rig. I wanna do a shout out to Hook City TV, because I actually learned how to do it off his channel, which is freaking awesome. Ooh, right in the finger. So let's go ahead and cast this out with some frozen squid. See if we can't catch something. And on Waylon's new hook shirt, that's our tight lines design with the hook. Go ahead and spin around, Waylon. Show him the front. Nice little Hooks logo. Clean, crisp. Nice little crock there. How you feel? You think we're gonna catch something today? You just saying that because of course you want one? Yeah? You have any words of wisdom for the young fishermen on YouTube?
Yes, I knew I wanted to catch a fish, but I want to catch a leopard shark or a stingray.
All right, guys, that's your words of wisdom from Waylon himself. To all the kiddos out there on YouTube, he wants to catch a leopard shark or a stingray. Let's hit it. We got my pole in the water, the Penn Battle 2 5000. Let's go hook up Waylon's pole. Come on, dude. Follow me to the truck of destiny. Look at that truck, man. Beautiful truck. Beautiful. Now on Waylon's pole, we're going to be doing the regular Carolina rig. Weight on the top. Let it slide on up to the swivel and back. Bait with the hook at the end. I'll show you what I'm talking about. to catch one today? Oh man, you look annoyed.
Wow.
That's his resting flinch face. Do you know the best?
Waylon's company clutch right now is the cameraman. You guys should give Waylon some love in the comments circle. Say, good job, Waylon.
What is happening?
How would it feel to be a cameraman for Hook?
It would be awesome, whatever I want to do with the cameraman
What type of compensation are we talking here? Do I have to pay you for your hours?
Yes,
Yeah, how much?
like 50.
50 an hour? Oh no, your camera work was kind of shaky, dude. We'll discuss your payment plan, your 401k later, okay? Try to catch some fish. So the tide was out and it was pretty low, and then it just came in crashing like a bat out of hell. Alright guys, we've been fishing out here for a while now, and we have got goose egg. No bites, no nibbles, no fish, obviously. But I don't want to make this video another no catch. I'm tired of doing no catch. So we're going to this spot pretty close to here. And it might be a runoff from the ocean, it might be freshwater. I honestly don't know, I've never been there. But people always catch giant carp. And I know you're like, oh God, carp. I think the same thing, but I've never gone carp fishing, man. I see people do it all the time. I see it on Fish Brain. I have a Fish Brain if you guys want to check it out. Hook.ca. But anyway, we're gonna go check this out. I'm gonna look up online what people usually catch them with. Sometimes they post on Fish Brain what they use, what kind of bait, but I'm gonna go ahead and look it up online. If you guys ever carp fish, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section below what you usually fish with to get them. What you fish, oh my God, take 50. What you usually use to catch carp and how you do it. You leave it on there, you put a bobber on there. I don't know, I've never fished for carp. So leave it down in the comment section below. Give me some tips, be highly appreciated. Let's cruise out there. We just got here to the spot and here it is. Definitely looking like some freshwater. So we've got our freshwater tackle and gonna use the lure. There's a lot of movement in this water. I don't know what the heck it is, but we're about to find out.
Ooh. Now you gotta cast a little bit. You better catch it.
Little snake. We reeled up a piece of an old fishing pole. That's ironic. All right, I'm gonna try to put some squid on a bobber and throw it out here. There's a bunch of little mullet looking fish, so let's see if we can catch something with that. Oh, we tried. All right, good job. Oh, you're tangled, let's fix it. Come here, bring it over here. All right, go ahead, try it out. Back. There you go. Pay attention to your pole. Do it whenever you're ready. Look at your pole and do it when you're ready. Hold on, stop. Put your finger on the line. There you go. Bring it back. There you go. Oh, wait. Dagnabbit. There you go, dude. And try it out. Oh, that would have been nice. Let's try it for the third time. We're learning.
Ready?
All right. Everybody on YouTube is ready. Did you let him go too soon? Number 4. Here we go. Just focus on the pole. Don't worry about the camera. Give it your best. Do it. Yeah, just go back. Throw it forward and let go. You got it. Oh, nice. You almost took my head off, but good job. Now put the latch down. Put the latch down. Push it down. This right here. Just put that down. Now reel. You just did your official first freshwater cast, homie. How's that feel? How's it feel?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Everybody on YouTube just saw you do that.
Oh.
It's pretty solid. Untangle you real quick. 1, 2. I think you're ready to go. Look at that. Plop.
Oh.
Yeah. Are you a pro now?
Yeah.
You're a pro angler, dude? Now put the latch down. There you go. Now reel, dude. Reel her in. Look at that. Making me proud. Good job, dude. That was cool. Yeah. I guess. Well, guys, I am so sorry to disappoint, man. Did not catch a freaking thing. Another video for the No Fish playlist. We gotta catch something soon. Y'all give me some tips or something. I fish a lot, but you could always learn more. We did get some practice in for casting, right, dude? Did you cast a couple killers or what? Yeah, number 3. Nice. Waylon did some casting practice. He did an excellent job. I think I might change the channel to how to fish with children and keep some patience. Kirkpatrick. Kirkpatrick, huh? Nah. But as much as I love that, we'll keep it at hooked. But this is a family fishing channel, and as you guys know, or maybe not know, we don't have a boat. We might be getting a inflatable boat soon, so that would be really cool. But yeah, we're gonna get a boat. We're gonna get a boat. And then we'll have super cool content. For now, it's kind of lame content in my opinion, but you guys still watch and support, and I superly, highly, making up wordsly appreciate it, really. I appreciate you guys watching, hitting the like button, supporting me and Waylon. It motivates us to do more and try harder and try new things. So sorry to disappoint, guys, but I appreciate you watching. Give us some tips, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell, please. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If not, give it a thumbs down. I understand. No fish, it sucks. But we'll catch you on the fish side, guys. Later.